Hi, today I'm reviewing POCO X5 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, fingerprint unlock method works here so fast and correct. We just unlock successfully the device with a simple touch to the power key. I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. So you can use this unlock methods, but don't forget that because the fingerprint is less secure than the pin codes or passcodes unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.